What is YouTube automation? The biggest myth you've been told about YouTube is that you have to upload every single day to succeed. The truth? You don't need to work harder. You need a system that works for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a path that, unlike everyone else, lets you grow faster while spending less time. The complete automation roadmap from zero to earning is right here. YouTube automation means using tools and AI to make content creation and channel management faster and easier, all while staying within YouTube's rules. With this approach, you can create higher quality content, organize your ideas more efficiently, and run your channel in a systematic, repeatable way. Why start today? First, you can build a channel that grows smartly and logically without endless hours of exhausting work. Second, with the right tools, you can focus on content quality instead of getting stuck on technical issues. And third, this path teaches you essential skills like audience analysis and growth strategy, which ultimately lead to real sustainable income. The benefits of YouTube automation include saving time on content production, consistently creating high-quality content, achieving natural and steady channel growth, learning the full journey from beginner to pro, and producing content your audience truly connects with. Essentially, this method helps you work smarter and build a channel that's both engaging and valuable.
The goal of this playlist is to build a real YouTube channel together, step by step. You'll learn everything you need to know: choosing a niche, designing your brand and logo, writing titles and scripts, creating engaging content, and key tips for channel growth. Everything is simple and actionable, so you can follow the right path too. Now, let's get to the important part: why we chose this niche. We're focusing on wisdom, philosophy, Japanese life principles, and personal growth, similar to what the Presence and Path channel is doing. But why? First, because this topic has a highly engaged and interested audience. People are always looking for ways to improve their mind and life, find inner peace, and live with purpose. As you can see, a channel with this focus reached 184K subscribers and videos with tens of thousands of views in less than 6 months. This niche is not only appealing but has real growth potential. Second, this is just the beginning. In the future, we'll explore and analyze more niches in depth using new YouTube automation methods, sharing all the tips, tricks, and secrets of channel growth with you. The key point is, you don't need to buy any course. All steps from beginner to advanced are completely free, designed to help you build and grow your channel with real actionable steps. So in this playlist, we'll go step by step, from choosing a niche and brainstorming ideas, to brand design, writing titles and scripts, content creation, and professional growth tips. Each week we'll post 2 tutorial videos and 1 new niche introduction, keeping the playlist constantly updated so we can follow a complete, structured growth path together. Here, you have a full learning and doing roadmap without needing to buy anything extra, and you can directly apply all strategies and techniques to your own channel. Ready to start and take your first real steps? Now that we understand the playlist goal and path and why this niche was chosen and what opportunities lie ahead, it's time to get ready for the next video. In the next video, we'll walk you step by step through how to properly create a YouTube channel, from choosing the right name to the small but crucial details most beginners get wrong. This video is packed with practical tips and common mistakes to make sure your channel starts on the right track from day one. So make sure your notifications are on so you'll be among the first to watch and won't miss any important insights.